troubled heart, feeling fragile, sitting alone, lost. But come to the Pancake Shack, there it is, sweet magic.